Welcome to Skytech-Lens. In the high-stakes world of military aviation, the American F-35 Lightning II was expected to dominate the global market. Yet, a surprising pattern has emerged. Nations are opting for Sweden's Saab Gripen E over the American behemoth. This modern-day David is winning trust by offering independence, not just advanced technology. The F-35's reliance on the US for logistics and updates is seen as a vulnerability. The Gripen E offers sovereignty, allowing nations to own and control their defense tools. This shift isn't a rejection of American tech, but a move towards self-reliance. Nations are asking, what if our interests diverge from the US? The Gripen E provides a compelling answer, symbolizing a desire for independence. It's not just about having the most advanced technology, it's about having the right technology and control over it. The choice between these aircraft represents a fundamental decision for modern air forces. The Gripen E has become a symbol of self-reliance in an increasingly complex world. The Gripen E's appeal over the F-35 starts with its price tag but goes deeper. Operational costs, not just purchase price, define a fighter jet's true expense. The F-35's complex systems make it costly to fly and maintain, doubling the Gripen's cost per flight hour. The Gripen E's design prioritizes affordability and ease of maintenance, allowing more frequent flights and better pilot training. Beyond costs, the F-35's dependency on US-controlled systems is a strategic liability. The Gripen E offers technological sovereignty, encouraging local production and technology transfer. Saab's partnership model empowers nations, contrasting with the F-35's dependency model. This difference in philosophy is the Gripen's strongest selling point. Nations are choosing independence over a subscription-like dependency on the US. Brazil's choice of the Gripen over the American Super Hornet and French Rafale shocked the world. The decision was a clear rejection of US and French pressure, favoring the Gripen's lower costs and technology transfer. Saab offered Brazil a partnership to build its aerospace industry, not just sell a jet. This move inspired other nations to consider independence over traditional alliances. Brazil's choice legitimized the Gripen as a strategic option for nations valuing industrial and political independence. The deal transformed Saab into a global competitor, with Brazil as a co-developer. This partnership model became a blueprint for Saab's future sales. It challenged the top-down approach of the F-35 program. Brazil's decision was a major setback for US influence in South America. It proved that nations could say no to defense giants and chart their own course. The Gripen became a symbol of smart, strategic choice. The Gripen E's most attractive feature is sovereignty, not its technical specs. Saab's business model offers unprecedented control over the aircraft, unlike the F-35's closed ecosystem. Technology transfer allows nations to modify and maintain the Gripen independently. The open architecture design ensures long-term independence and adaptability. This flexibility keeps the aircraft relevant for decades, driven by user needs. Sovereignty is a powerful political statement, reducing reliance on foreign powers. The Gripen's self-reliance is a strategic advantage over marginal stealth benefits. Nations flying F-35s risk foreign control over their capabilities. The Gripen offers a level of self-reliance that many governments find invaluable. The Gripen E is a formidable fighter, designed for real-world conflict. Its operational readiness and agility are key strengths. The Gripen can operate from austere locations, a legacy of Sweden's Cold War strategy. It requires minimal ground crew and can use makeshift runways. The cockpit design reduces pilot workload, focusing on intuitive ergonomics. The Gripen's technology enhances military effectiveness, acting as a force multiplier. This combination of practicality and smart technology makes the Gripen a real-world fighter. The choice between the F-35 and Gripen E is a choice between two philosophies. The F-35 represents a tethered model, with benefits but permanent reliance on the US. Its software and maintenance are controlled centrally, creating dependency. The Gripen E embodies true independence, offering open architecture and technology transfer. Customers manage their fleet, develop software, and integrate weapons independently. This allows agility and responsiveness to unique strategic needs. Sweden's neutral stance values self-reliance, reflected in the Gripen's design. The Gripen offers sovereignty and control, a powerful proposition in uncertain times. It's a choice between being a client and a true partner. The Gripen's independence is increasingly attractive to nations. It offers a fighter jet with no strings attached. This philosophy is reshaping military procurement and national security. Brazil's choice of the Gripen E set off a global chain reaction. The Brazilian model of partnership and technology transfer inspired other nations. Thailand, a US ally, showed interest in the Gripen due to its performance and low costs. Canada's delayed F-35 decision opened the door for the Gripen, appealing to its unique needs. In India, Saab's offer of full technology transfer aligns with its self-reliance goals. The Gripen's success in Brazil gave credibility to these ambitious proposals. The Gripen became a major contender in markets once thought out of reach. The domino effect of Brazil's decision continues to influence global fighter procurement. The Gripen E redefines partnership in the defense industry. Saab offers a collaborative venture, not just a buyer-seller relationship. This model builds trust and mutual benefit, fostering innovation and economic growth. In Brazil, engineers contribute to the Gripen's global design, gaining a valuable stake. Gripen operators become partners, influencing the platform's future direction. This creates a network of sovereign, interconnected partners. The Gripen's approach challenges traditional defense models, raising expectations. Nations want to be active participants, not passive consumers. The Gripen empowers customers while offering a top-tier fighter jet. This new approach builds stronger, more resilient relationships. The Gripen E's success signals a new era in military aviation. Nations value control, independence, and adaptability over raw power. The Gripen embodies this pragmatic thinking, prioritizing self-reliance. Sweden's approach rewrites the rules of the international fighter market. Saab empowers smaller nations to maintain a credible air force. This disrupts an industry long dominated by a few giants. The contest between the F-35 and Gripen E is a study in competing visions. The Gripen represents a collaborative vision of sovereign air power. Its success shows that true power comes from control, not complexity. The Gripen offers freedom to control defense tools, a valuable asset in the 21st century. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more updates.